I have a question regarding adding the negative keywords in any of the campaign. What should be the best strategy? And is it okay we add negative keywords as phrase match, or should we add negative keywords as a broad match, which is more effective way? All right, so you can add as exact match as well. It really depends on how your campaign is structured. So let's say if you are selling iPhones, right? And you don't sell Samsung. But just by putting Samsung as phrase or broad match will cover all the search queries which has the word Samsung in it or Galaxy. You don't want Samsung to be exact match, right? Then you will get um, your ad shown for queries like Samsung Galaxy or Samsung Flip and so on. If you don't do Samsung, put it on as phrase match. Now it depends on how you have structured your account, your campaign. Uh, in this scenario, I would put it up at account level. So I will create a negative account level negative list and apply to all my campaigns so that none of the campaigns bleed this cache. Because if you put this Samsung as negative in an ad group or at campaign level, then other campaigns will will definitely show your ads for Samsung as well. So I would say put them up as at account level negative keyword list, and you should always have one master account level negative keyword list, which will have all sorts of I wouldn't say junky keywords, but keywords which don't have any intent. So things like if you don't do anything for free or don't give away anything free, put the word free in it. Um, how to words which don't have any intent, where there's no buying or purchasing intent, put them because people are trying to explore or learn more about it. Those kind of keywords, they always go on account level, negative keyword list.